Take such pride in your product, but you're not a good person. You're a kind person. You know what I mean? And it reflects, I think, like in everything that you do, and in your product, and your store, and all these new people that you've met through your life. And you know, you just have your product is good. Everybody here will say that. When I said that I have never used another soap since I met you, that's the truth. And all the places you go to different craft shows, and we all like to buy from small businesses, right? And a lot of folks, you know, they sell their own soaps and candles, and I really want to be like, oh, I want to buy a soap from maybe this person, but I'm like, no, I'm going to buy it from Connie because you're my friend now, and it's a great product. Your soaps are great. They last forever.
Thank you.
And I just can't say enough about you and your products and your your son and your business and everything.
Oh my goodness, you guys are wonderful.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay.
Did that answer your question?
Yes.
See, I just went on and on.
Oh my God, it was wonderful. I'm like ready to cry.
Always say that, and then they come in here and they.
She's very passionate about.
She's very passionate, and then you know how many people have you all probably sent here, and they rave about it too, right? You know.
Aw, sweet.